What's up, everybody? I appreciate you clicking on the video. Riley and I are here in Scottsdale, Arizona for our second Trading Accelerator event of 2021. This is actually our third live seminar, but just the second one of 2021. We had to take a break because of COVID, but we're back. And I'm very grateful, very humbled from the people that are taking time even during these crazy times to travel and come here and learn and network with us. So let me show you the room real quick before everybody shows up. I actually like this conference room setup better than we had in Clearwater, don't you, Rye? The fireplace, the tables are nicer, big screen here. So this is gonna be an awesome event. I'm gonna roll some B-roll here to show you guys a little highlight reel, enjoy it, and hopefully we'll see you at one of our Trading Accelerator events soon.